हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज क्या है? आज तो हम न्यू चैप्टर शुरू करने जा रहे हैं विच इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लास 8। ओके, पहले क्या है, इसमें क्या क्या न्यू टर्म्स है इसको हम पहले समझेंगे, तो वो समझने के बाद ही सम करेंगे। ठीक है, तो आज से इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। तो पहले क्या क्या पॉइंट आपको समझना है हम एक एक करके बोलते जाएंगे। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज देयर, this chapter is chapter 3 of class 8, understanding quadrilateral. The first point come in your mind. पहले एक क्वेश्चन मन में आता है जो एक्चुअली क्या है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल का मतलब क्या होता है? Anyone, can you say what is quadrilateral? Definitely, yes, very good. So what is there? Quadrilateral means it's a closed figure. First of all, it's a closed figure. I am showing one figure also, okay? Closed figure bounded by 4 line segment. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 line segments. It's a closed figure. So how do you define this one? Quadrilateral is a closed figure which is bounded by 4 line segment. Now in quadrilateral having many parts are there, you have to understand one by one. I'll tell one by one, you will get all the points. First of all, we are getting what do you mean by polygon? Polygon means what? In class 6 first you got this word. This is not new terms, but still I am telling as a reminder. I am telling reminder, that is what is the meaning of polygon. Polygon means it's a closed figure which is bounded by 3 or more line segment. Okay, 3 or more line segment. It is a closed figure. It is a closed figure. क्या है? closed figure है which is bounded by या enclosed, which is bounded by 3 or more line segment. More line segment. Okay, this is known as polygon. The polygon having different types are there. So what are these types? If it is 4-side closed figure, then it is 4-side closed figure. This one is known as quadrilateral. Okay, then 5-side closed figure, it is known as pentagon. Pentagon means it's a one type of polygon which is enclosed by 5 sides. Another one is there, अगर इसमें 6 sides है, वहाँ किसी भी polygon में 6 side है तो इसको नेम है hexagon. 6 side होता है तो hexagon. Now next point is there, if there are 7 side, then it is known as heptagon. Okay, then 8 side octagon, then 9 side nonagon, then 10 side decagon, then 11 side, it is telling 11 gone, 12 gone, 13 gone, like this. So these are the types of polygon. एक क्या है? polygon के type है. Now next point is there. Okay, I am showing next point now. So is it clear? एक clear हो गया ना जो what do you mean by polygon and how do you define and what are the types are there. As a quadrilateral, जो quadrilateral होता है ना, इसमें different type of quadrilateral होता है. एक important type है, very very important type, which is known as parallelogram. Which is parallelogram. Now first point is there, how do you define parallelogram? Parallelogram कैसे define कर सकते हैं? क्या है? हम पहले एक फिगर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. We are telling that it's a parallelogram. First of all, this one parallel to this and this one parallel to this. A quadrilateral if its opposite sides are equal and parallel, then we can say that it's a parallelogram. This is the definition, okay? Now some properties are there. What are the properties are there? In case of parallelogram, this is the most important property. First one is there. This one and this one, they are opposite angle, isn't it? They are known as opposite angle, and this one is opposite angle. So first point you can write, opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal. And one point you write there, sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Means sum of these two is 180. Even sum of these two is also 180. Adjacent means what? Common arms and common vertex. So in case of this, sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Now next one is there. These 2 points are most important. First today you understand only these two points. Next class I will explain more things. Okay. So first of all these are the क्या है parallelogram का very important property है. Opposite angles are equal and sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. Okay. Now up to this one, this is the parallelogram part. Then different types of parallelograms are there. Okay guys, after this parallelogram, just I am showing another part. There is polygon. There are two kinds of polygons are there. Basically, one is concave, another is convex polygon. Concave polygon and convex polygon. Now I will explain this one. What is the difference between concave and convex polygon? Say I am showing one figure there in case of concave. Concave means what? Say this one, and convex one figure, say this one. Now you see both are polygon. As it is closed figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four side closed figure, it's a polygon. And it is also four side closed figure, it is also polygon. But in figure you are definitely getting what is the difference there. What is the difference? You see one angle is more than 180 degree. One angle is more than 180 degree. So what does it mean? One angle must be reflex angle, that is must be 180 degree, more than 180 degree. And in this case all the angles are must be below 180 degree. Okay, but both the quadrilateral sum of these angles must be 360 degree. That property is correct. This one also having 360 degree. This also correct. And another most important point is there, that is if we join we are getting diagonals. Okay, if you join them we are getting the diagonals. So in case of this one, have you noticed that one? यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, जो डायगोनल आया ना ये बाहर एक पॉइंट में मीट किया. जो इस फिगर का कनकेव पॉलीगॉन जो होता है ना, इसमें क्या है डायगोनल एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट में मीट करता है. और in case of convex polygon the diagonal meeting interior of the figure. So this is another different. So I think it is clear what is the difference between convex and concave polygon. Now come to next point. Just in short I am telling, it is most important. I think this one is clear, no difference between two types of polygon, concave and convex. Okay. Now next point is most important. We know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That property you know, the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. But in short I am showing how you prove this one. Say I am drawing there one quadrilateral. P, Q, R, S. There is one quadrilateral PQRS and drawing one डायगोनल. यहाँ पे एक डायगोनल ड्रॉ किया. सो इसमें से एक चीज़ देखो, टू ट्राइंगल बनाया ना, यहाँ पे वन ट्राइंगल, यहाँ भी वन ट्राइंगल. सो कंसिडरिंग दिस एंगल इज 1, दिस वन इज 2, दिस वन 3, दिस वन 4, this angle is 5 and this one is say 6. Just we numbered that one, the angles numbering. So what you can write? In triangle PQS, we can write angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because we know that by angle sum property of a triangle. We know that by angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Of any triangle sum is there 180, so we can write 1 plus 5 plus 6 180. And secondly, अभी next triangle कौन सा है? QRS. In triangle QRS, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree with the same property. Now if you consider, मान लिया जाए ये इक्वेशन 1 है, ये वाला इक्वेशन 2, ये दोनों को अगर प्लस करेंगे, देखो यहाँ दिखा देते हैं. मान लो अभी एंगल इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 एडिंग किया, एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 ये दोनों को जुड़ दिया तो क्या होगा? एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 6 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस 3 प्लस 4. ये जितना से एंगल है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इसमें 3 एंगल है, इसमें भी 3 है, तीनों को मतलब 6 आ गया ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6. और राइट में क्या आएगा? 180 डिग्री प्लस 180 डिग्री. तो 1 एंड 2 मिला के पूरा एंगल आ गया ना, एंगल क्यू. एंगल क्यू 1 प्लस 2 यू सी. अगर तुम फिगर में देखोगे क्या देखे? 1 एंगल 1 एंड 2 मिला के एंगल क्यू आया. देन 3 को एंगल 5 को क्या? 5 प्लस 4 एंगल 5 प्लस 4, ये दोनों एंगल मिला के एंगल एस आ गया. हाँ. देन एंगल 6 कौन सा आया? एंगल पी. एंगल 3 कौन सा आया? एंगल 3R. तो इज इट क्लियर? You see P, Q, R, S, sum of these 4 angle is 360 degree. So that property also possible to show how we get the sum of the angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Very simple. अगर कोई confusion है तो definitely you write down in comments box. And one thing more I am telling, ये बहुत ही simple chapter है, बहुत ही simple. Just ऐसा हुआ एक बार जो देखा है पूरा वीडियो फिर भी समझ में नहीं आया, फिर दोबारा देख सकते हैं कि अपना चैनल है, कभी भी आप देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो हम आशा करता हूँ आप सब का अच्छी तरह समझ में आया. अगर अच्छा लगा डेफिनेटली लाइक एंड शेयर टू अदर स्टूडेंट्स so that many of you friends can go through that video and can get the advantage of my channel. And thank you. All the best.